Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sheikh Tipu Rahman, working as an aptitude trainer in Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science. So, our college, METS, in tie with AICTE, have started a scheme called Prerna Scheme, where it's a scheme for preparing SC/ST students for higher education in order to clear any written exam in doing so. So, today's topic will be letter series. So it's a very important topic not only for exam entrance for higher education, but also for private jobs and as well as government jobs. So let us take this topic very seriously, and it's a very interesting, fun learning topic and easy to understand yet important one. Here, so let us start our discussion. So letter series. Series means there'll be a sequence or an set of numbers following a particular order we have to find, and those entities those are mentioned in series will be letters. Okay, it comes under reasoning aptitude concept. Clear? Fine. Now let us go for the introduction first. Alphabet series tricks. So almost every test on reasoning contains questions on alphabetical series. In such a question, if it consists a single series of alphabets, or it might contain a combination of the letters, the alphabet combinations are arranged in a particular manner, and each alphabet combination is related to the earlier and the following alphabets in the particular. Okay, so these are the basic 26 alphabets that you should be aware of. Okay, and each and every alphabet is always associated with a number based on their order. So when A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, it continues so on till 26. Now sometimes they might ask a question related to this also. So there are many methods to remember this. Traditional way is writing A to Z and remembering the numbers. So one of the best shortcut is EJOTY. Okay, so EJOTY. So these are the multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So what is it? So let's say if I want to know what is the number associated with K, I did not write from A. I just see this, all this multiple of 5. I know the series will be J and K, where J is 10, so obviously K will be 11. Okay, so for purpose of convenience, it is helpful to remember this simple formula called EJOTY, with the help of which you can easily find the position of any letter without much effort. But for practical purposes, you need to learn by heart the position of different letters in the alphabet. As it's mentioned here, it's suggested to follow that. Just in case for a shortcut, you can go for EJOT. Okay, and so next is the alphabets. So A to M are arranged in 1 to 13 associated numbers, and N to Z are in a reverse order. We call it as mirroring. Okay, so a normal English alphabet contains 26 letters as shown above. Usually questions on alphabets are combined by normal alphabet from A to M. The alphabet completes its first half while the other half starts from N to Z. The other half constitutes the image of this. Okay, so what do I mean? Let's say A to M, as it is mentioned, it's 1 to 13, and N to Z is written in a reverse order, where the image of M or mirror of N is N. Similarly, A is Z, B is Y, C is X, D is W. So the questions associated with this has already been discussed in one of the previous videos of coding and decoding. To get more clarity on this kind of question, you can easily go for it. Clear? Very good. So let us see an example. Our first example for this video. This is a given example. It's a simple example. So they have given ADGJ, MP, and what comes in the question mark. So as we were discussing numbers associated with this, you can easily solve for it. So for your convenience, I'm writing here EJOTY 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Clear? Now, so one of the ways, if you are comfortable without numbers, you can, if you remember directly, you can do it. So always my suggestion is go for the numbers. A is associated with 1, D is associated with 4, and G is associated with, because I already know, I'm just writing the numbers, you can go ahead with this. And J is associated with 10, M is 13, and P is 16. Now if you see, the difference between these two particular number is 3, these two is 3, these two is 3, and from here to here is also 3. So my next two numbers in the series would be 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. So numbers associated with 19, sorry, letters associated with 19, this will be S, and 22 will be V. Clear? So this is a simple example where the answer is S and V. So let's verify step by step. So first step, same thing what we have discussed, I'm going in stepwise. We have to solve the question part. So if you have memorized the numbers, you can replace the alphabets as. So as I've already mentioned, AD is 14, GJ is 710, and MP is 1316. So now we have only play with numbers like this. There is a difference between 4 and 7, that is 3 again. 10, 13 is 3 again. So now we have to add 3, 16. So it becomes 19. So 19 is yes. So after that, again we have to add 3 for that gap. So it will become 22. 22 is V. So now the answer is yes, V. Clear? So this is one of the simple example. So there are many related to it. Let us discuss all different types of examples or questions they ask in letter series. Okay. So first question. So you can pause the video and you can see the answer by replacing the question mark with. So types of alphabet series completion in reasoning ability. So type 1 is alphabetic series. In type 1, increasing by a definite number. So I, J, K, L. So what replaces the question mark? Obviously it is plus 1. So it will become M. Next, A, G, M, S, Y. So my suggestion is try to convert them into numbers. So A is 1, G is 7, M is 13, S is 19, and Y is 25. Now if you see this, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 6 plus 6. Now 25 plus 6 will be 31. Sorry. So 31 we don't have, there are only 26 letters. So what you do is, after 26, again the series goes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what you have to do, 31 you have to subtract with 26. I get 5. So fifth letter, that is fifth number associated alphabet is my answer. So 5 is E. So it replaces 6 positions. Clear? Next, similar way, decreasing by a definite number. So if you see this, Z is 26 and X will be 24. V will be 22. So I got the pattern. So it is minus 2, minus 2. T is 20, minus 2. R is 18, minus 2. P will be minus 2. That is 16. So my answer should be minus 2. That is 14. So 14 is associated with the alphabet called N. Clear? So it is increasing by a definite number. So it is plus 1 each and every time. Here plus 6. Here decreasing by a definite number. Got the point? That's the logic. And this is what I have mentioned as a solution for the logic. So each letter is increased by plus 1 and each letter increased by 6 to its right position. So each letter is decreased by 2 to its left. Clear? Next, third question. Increasing successively. So whatever you want to define, it's better you convert the given alphabets in terms of numbers. So D will be 4. So it's suggested to always by heart from 1 to 26, that is A to Z. E is 5, G is 7, J is 10, N is 14, and S will be 19. Now see the gap. 0, 1. I'm just taking, you can take the difference or you can take the whatever you want. See, I can see there is one letter gap. There is two letters gap. That means 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, there is 3 letters gap, 4 letters gap. Then I have to get 5 letters gap. That means 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25 should come here. So 25 number associated with the letter as Y. You can do like this, or you can take the difference. 4 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. Anything is fine. Okay. So this is increasing successively. Similar way, decreasing successively. So see this. In this example, I'll write it here. Z, Y, W, T and P. So Z is 26. Y will be 25. W is 23. T is 20. And P will be 16. You can go with the difference, or you can see how many letters are there in between. So there are 0 letters here, or the difference is 1. Any logic you can follow. And if you see, there are 24 will come here. So there is 1 letter gap. This is 2 letter gap. 21, 22. This is 17, 18, 19. So 3 letter gap. Next should be what should I keep to get it? Okay, 15, 14, 13, 12, 15, 14, 13, 12. So 11 should come here, so that there will be 4 letter gap. So 11 is associated with K. Or you can go with the difference. Anything is fine for you. So answer is K for this. Next, if you see, this is decreasing successively. So next is Z, T, O, K, H, F, E. So first write down the numbers associated with the letters for easy calculation. This is 26, and E or T will be 20, O will be 15, K will be 11, H will be 8, F will be 6, E will be 5. So I want to find what is the next number in the series. Now if you see, the difference is 6, or there is a 5 letter gap. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Similarly here it is a 4 letter gap, 3 letter gap, 2 letter gap, 1 letter gap, 0 letter gap. Okay. Now next what should I get is, there should be minus 1 letter gap, or that means the same number should come here. There should not be any gap here. Same letter should come here. Or you can go with the difference. 26 minus 20 is 6. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is 0. 0 means the same number comes. Follow any logic until unless you are comfortable with it. Okay. I prefer to go with the gaps in between the letters. Okay. Both are correct. So that is about decreasing successively. Next, decreasing and increasing by a constant value. So let us write down the numbers for this example. So D is 4, F is 6, C is 3, E is 5, B is 2, D is 4, A is 1, C is 3, Z is 26. The next number is what? Okay. So 4 plus 2, 6 minus 3, plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. So next should be plus 2. That means 26, 27, 28. 28 is B. B should come here. That is the answer. Or you can go with the letter gaps. What I have done is I have written the numbers associated with it. Okay. So that is D is 4, F is 6, C is 3, E 5, B2, D4, A1, C3 and Z26. Now 6 minus 4, or you can do, sorry, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 will be 0, but 0 is not there, so it comes 26. So 26 plus 2 will be 28. Answer is B for this question. Clear? So this is the logic. As I've already mentioned, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Similarly, this is for increasing successively series. Then for decreasing successively series, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. This is minus 6, minus 5, minus. They have not gone for the gaps, they have gone for the particular number. They have converted the letters into numbers and they have just subtracted and added respectively to get the next number. Next, decreasing, increasing successfully, as I already mentioned, plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3 and so on. So these are the different types of letter series using different logics. Now, next type of series, that was a basic one. Type 2 series are alphanumeric series. So what do you mean by alphanumeric series? So in the series, there will be involvement of numbers as well as letters. Okay. Now let us see the first example. I have to find out the answer what comes next after P. Now as it is given, so see what is the logic. X, Y, Z, V, W, X, sorry, V, W, X, T, U, V, R, S, T, P, Q, R. Okay. Then obviously here I should get N, O, P. So first term is N. So what I have done is I could see the series, the first term of the series is going backward with one letter gap. Or you can 2 minus 2. So Z is 26, X is 24. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 if you do. V will be 22, T will be 20, this is 18, next is 16. So 26 minus 2, 24, 24 minus 2 is 22, 22 minus 2 is 20, 20 minus 2 is 18, 18 minus 2 is 16. So obviously I should get 16 minus 2, that is 14. Number alphabet associated or letter associated with 14 is N. Okay, I got the first term of the series. Now coming to second term, A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. So there is a two letter gap. G, H, I, J, J, K, L, M, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So NS is my answer. This is one of the way of solving it, or else take the letters, convert into numbers, or do it. Your wish. Whichever you are comfortable with, you can go ahead with that. Clear? So answer for this question is NS. Hope you are clear with my point. Now, coming to example 2. So if you see, there are three entities involved in each and every term of the series. So let me separate it. So first let me take the first term of the series, 2, 7, 14, 23, 34. Now I have to see what is the logic behind it. So how to get 2 from 7? So I can add plus 5. Okay. 7 plus 7 and 14. The difference is 7 plus 7 is 14, and next 14 plus 7 is 21, but 14 plus 9 is 23. Okay, and so if you see there's a pattern here, 5, 7, 9. So obviously if I take 11, 23 plus 11 is 34. Yes, this is the logic. So next should be plus 2, that is 13. So 34 plus 13 is 47. Clear? So each and every term is being incremented starting from plus 5 to 2 each. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus, see, these are two types, stage type series, where difference is also one of the series. So 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay, now next is 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 9, 23, 23 plus 11 is 34, 34 plus 13 will be 47 is the first term. So first term is 47. Okay, now coming to the last term, as there are numbers, let us solve it quickly. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So what is happening here? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. So the last term is 15. Next, coming to the letters Z, Y, X, W, B. Now if you see and observe carefully, the alphabets are in reverse order. So Z, Y, X, W, V. So the next term should be U. So our answer for this example is 47U15. That is the answer. Clear? Hope everybody got the point. Okay. So let us see one more example under alphanumeric series. So W, there are two terms here. One is a letter, the other one is number. W, U, S, Q. So if you see, and 144, 121, 181. So if you see, uh, Q, R, S, S, T, U, U, V, W. So there is a one letter gap, or convert the letters into numbers and you get it. So obviously there should be one letter gap as well. If I write O here, O, P, Q. So my first term of the answer should be O. And there are some numbers here, 144, 121, 100 and 81. So how are these numbers related to each other? If you take the difference 144, 121 and 121, 100, 181. So this is 19, this will be 21, is this 23? Yes, this is also a method working. So I think next should be 70. But will it work? One more logic is these are all the perfect squares. This is 12 square, this is 11 square, 10 square, 9 square. Next should be 8 square, that is 64. But if I do 81 minus 17, I'll get the same answer. Okay, so both logics are applicable. So answer is O64. So let's verify whether what we have done is correct or wrong. So first one, as I was saying, it's a minus 2, minus 2. They have converted the letters to the respective numbers and they have applied the logic. The second one is plus 3 plus 3. Similarly, for this example, answer is 47U15. Okay. Next, for example 3, it is O64. So both the logics work. Okay. Now let us go for very important type of series, that is type 3. You can see in almost most of the competitive exams, even for higher education papers, you can see these kind of questions. These are called continuous pattern series. Okay, under that this is type 1. Now you can pause this video and try to solve this question. We'll come up with the answer. Okay, so it is given BCA dash B dash AA BC dash A dash CA. Okay, whenever these kind of things are given, so it's quite confusing if you just start writing or comparing with the options or something. Okay, so best way of doing is, let me explain. Now first, count the number of letters in the series including the spaces or blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 letters. Okay, and if you see, there are only two different letters used. Okay, so 16s can be grouped as 2 each, okay, or 4 each or 8 each. Okay, if I see 2 BC, sorry, not 2, there are 3 more. I'm sorry, ABC, there are 3 letters. Okay, so 16 you can't divide by 3. Then try to go for each 4 groups or 3 groups each is not possible. Okay, let me check. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try to compare, is there any similarity here? B is here, B is here, B is here. So obviously B should be here. C, C, C. So C should be here. Third term is A should be here. And fourth term is A should be here. So answer is A, C, A, B. Okay. So forget this number of letters. I'll come to this logic later. There are 16. So try to divide them equally. So 2 each, 4 each, 8 each. Whichever is applicable, you can do it. So answer is ACAB. ACAB is first option. Clear? That is answer. So let us move on with further examples. Okay. So if you have any doubts here, you can always comment. I'll reply to it. Clear? Next example. BA dash CB dash B dash BAB dash. So I would suggest everybody please pause the video on each and every question. Try to get the answer by your own, and then you can replay the video or resume the video so that you can verify it or you can check the answers. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. So try to group. I can group in terms of factors of 12. So 1 is a factor obviously, but I'm not going to do that. So I can group each 2 letters in each group, or 3 letters, or 4 letters, 6 letters, 12 letters, whichever is comfortable. Okay, obviously there are 3 terms, so I won't go with 2. It won't give me the answer. Let me go ahead with 3. Okay, if 3 is not working, then go for 4. So BA dash, CB dash, B dash B, AB dash. If you see this, BA dash, CB dash, B dash B. So 2 B's have come. So this grouping of 3 each is not possible for me. Okay. Now, when 3 is not working, now it's time to go for another one. So 3 is also not working. Go for 4 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try to compare. B, B, B. Good. The logic is working. A, A, A. Correct. Next B, 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 C, C, C. So my answer is B, A, C, C. B, A, C, C is option B. So always go with trial and error. Okay. That is the answer. So if you want me to repeat again, what I have done is there are 12 letters. I have written the factors of 12 first. 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So 12, 12, no use because same thing I have to write again. So 2 2 also is no use because if you see, if I space them 2 2 each, I might get answer in terms of alternating series, but there are three different terms. This logic also might work, but it's little confusing. So let me keep it aside. Then I tried for C 3 3 each. That means in each group having three letters. This didn't give me any particular logic, so I've stricken off. Then I've gone for 4 4. Then after seeing 4 for each, I was able to compare the similarity. Then I got the answer by filling the blanks as BA, CC as my answer. Clear? Okay. Let me go for one more example. So please pause the video, try to get the answer for this. Now, so let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 letters are supposed to be written in this series. Okay, where it is grouped. It can be grouped as because there are three different ABC letters. So three each, or if it doesn't work, then I can go for 5. Clear? Okay. Now let me go with 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now see what is the similarity here. BC, CA, AB, CAAC. There is no similarity of repetition, but if you see each and every group, only one letter is missing. So what is missing here? A is missing, here B, here C, here B, here B. So my answer should be A, B, C, B, B. That's it. A, B, C, B, B. Option A is the answer. So from this example, it is clear that the answers of the logic doesn't follow a particular manner. So it can be a series or it can be something that is filling the missing one. So it can be anything. Okay. Now if it is not working, then go for 5 5 each, and definitely that will work. Okay. And even 5 5 doesn't work, what to do? So those kind of things we have further in this video. We'll discuss those kind of examples as well. Clear? That is about example 3. So let us go further with more interesting questions. Example 4. Okay. So this is an example. So try to get the answer by yourself. Pause the video. Okay. Now, so let's start doing it. Let's count first, including the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 can be grouped as 2 each, 4 each, 8 each. That's it. So if I group 2, 2, I don't think I'll get the answer. Okay. Then I can go for 4, 4. Why I don't get the answer is 2, 2. It's like only 2, 2 terms. If you see dash A, AB, AB, again AB will not come here. It's dash A. Okay. Then go for 4 each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So AAB is here. Okay. Here AB is here. So that means these two are similar. Similarly, these two are similar. So A, A. So B is here, write B here. Similarly, B is here, B is here, A is here. So A is here, write A here, B is here, B here. So my answer should be B, B, A, and A is here, A is here, A. B, B, A is my answer. Option B. Okay. Or best method is taking 8. So if you take this, now you can compare. So let me take 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now compare it. So last term is A, last term is A, and second term is A, second term is A. Sorry, second term is A, second term is blank here. Third term is A, third term is A. Fourth is B, fourth is B. Now this is a pattern. So what you have to do is fill the blanks. First is empty. Here B is given. So B have to write. Second term is A here. So write A. And last but one is B here. So write B. And last but 4 is A here. Write A. So my answer will be again B, B, A. So same thing. Unless you are comfortable in solving, you can do it in any way you want. Clear? Good. Next. Let's move on with example 5. Okay. So this is a question. Try by yourself or else continue watching this video. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 I can group 2 each, 3, next 6, 9. So these are different possibilities I can group. So if you see I have ABC, so grouping 2 will not work. So try grouping 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So CC dash CCB, again CA CCB, again CC dash, so CC dash C dash B. So quite confusing. If I try hard I'll get it, but why to go with 3? Let me go with 6. Okay. So I'll just erase this for clear understanding of the picture. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Now if you see last term is B, B, B. Now it's good. If I've taken 3 terms, I would have gone for alternating series. Okay. That means the same group after one gap again the same one comes. Okay. Let us not worry about it. We have that example. So if you say first is C, C, C. Correct. So this is a pattern. So here second term is C. So C should come here. Third term is empty here, third term is A. So A should come here, A should come here always as well. So last but one term, here it is C, here it is C, so obvious C will come here. So my answer is AC, AC. Option 1 is my answer. Hope everybody got the clear idea on it. Okay. Okay. So till now we were getting exactly like composite numbers in the as number of terms in the series like 12, 16, 18. All these are composite numbers that can be equally divided or spaced as a group. If I say 12, I can have groups of 2 each terms or 3, 4, 6. Similarly for 16 is 2, 4, 8. For 18, 2, 3, 6, 9. Okay. But what if the number of terms are not composite? If they are, let's say, uh, prime numbers, if they are 19 numbers or 17 numbers, sorry, letters. If these kind of questions are asked, how to solve? So that is our next category, continuous pattern series type 3. Okay. Now, so this also I would suggest you please try by yourself. Then you can resume this video. Clear? Okay. Now let us see the example. So A dash B B A dash B A dash B A B dash A B. Okay. So count the number of terms including the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19 terms. So how to solve a question where we have 19 terms in the series? So best way is keep certain terms aside and try to convert them in a groupable terms. That means 19 can be split as 18 plus 1. Okay. So 18 you start grouping it. That is 2, 3 or 6 or 9. If this doesn't work, then go for the other category. That is, I can go with 16 plus 3. If still it doesn't work, then go for 15 plus 4. Okay, last terms I'm keeping aside. So this should be this series thing will be going on till you get the answer. Now let me start with 18 plus 1. That means last one I'm keeping it aside. Now if you see, I can go with 2 2 if I check. So a dash b b, a dash b, okay, c 2 2. If you see this, a is common. So before BB is there. So obviously B should come here, B should come here, B should come here. And before BB, AA is coming. So AA. So my answer is ABB. Okay, 1, 2, 3. A and 3 B's is my answer. Yes, option D is here. Okay. So I got the answer here. Now, what if this I would have not got? Then I can go with 3, I'll not get it, 6, I'll not, 9, I'll not get. Again, what I have to do is 16 plus 3 I have to take. So 16, 2 if I already tried, I would have not gone for it, 4 for each. Now here we are jumping. If I take 4, 4, let me explain that also. I'll get the same answer. So when I take 4, 4, what I'm going to do is, I'll keep last 3 aside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So A. Obviously this is working. Second term should be A here. Third term should be B here, B here. Fourth term should be B. Again my answer is A triple B. That's it. So 2 2 is not working, go with 4 4. 2 2 only works when you think like alternating or something. So alternating means the same pattern comes after jumping one more pattern. So it is like this. This is called alternating. If you don't want alternating, just expand. Instead of 2, I have taken 4. This is a way of solving these kind of questions. So let us get further perfection by going with one more example. Okay. Next example. Example number 7. So please try for it. So A dash B B C dash A B dash C A dash B C A dash. Okay. So let me count. First step is number of terms or letters, including blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19, obviously you can split as 18 plus 1. Okay. So 18, the first is grouping 2, 2. But 2, 2 won't work because there are 3 different letters, A, B and C. So I would suggest don't go for that. Next is grouping 3 each by keeping last one aside. Last one is separate. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you see BC is here and BC is here. So BC should be here as well. So it's jumping. So if I want to avoid that headache, then try to go for 6 each. I think that's better. 6 each will give me the perfect answer without confusion. You can go with this also, no issues. So last is separated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. So A is here, A is here, A is here. Second term is A. So A should come here. Third term is B. So B should come here. And the final term here is A. So A should come here. And fourth term, B is here, so B should come here. And again, next series should start with A, so A I am writing here. So my answer should be A, B, B, A. A, B, B, A. Option B is the answer. Clear with this? Very good. So let us go with a few more interesting questions like this so that you'll get a hands-on experience with perfection on these kind of solving questions. Okay, good. Next. So next example, again do the same procedure. So try to count first, then we can go ahead with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, we have 18 here. Now let's see whether I get the answer on. So what I could do is I can group 2 each, 3 also, next 6 or 9. Okay, let me check. So if I see there are 3 different, not 3, there are 4 different terms. So 2 won't work, obviously. Let's check 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A dash C, I can't see again A dash C again. That means 3, 3 is also not working. Okay, go for 6, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see A, B, C. I can see A, B, C, okay, but blank, C, blank. So I don't know, C is here. I don't know whether to fill with A or B. So that means even 6 is a failure. Let me check 9, 9. We'll see whether we get the answer or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A is here, nothing is here, second is not there. Third term is B, here third term is C. So that means even 9 is also not working. So then what to do? So we have gone with the traditional method itself, but we couldn't get the answer. When this is a scenario, the suggested thing is you follow what you are supposed to do for prime numbers, number of terms when they are prime number. That means same thing, 18 is not working. Then if I go for 17, no use. 16 if I go, I can group them into 2 and 4. 2 already not working, so 4 also won't work. Then go for 15. So this is 16 plus 2, 18. 15 plus 3. So in 15 also, it can go with 3, but 3 has already work. Then it is you can group them as 5 each plus 3 extra. Try this one. If it doesn't go, again go with the lesser number. Now let me try this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last 3 are extra. Now start comparing. Here last but one is D. Last but one is D. So D should come here. Last term is D. D. So D will come here. So I got the series done. First one is A. So A come here. Second one is B. So B comes here. Third one is C. So my answer is B, A, D, D, C. B, A, D, D, C. Option A is my answer. Quite interesting, right? So unexpected question. We thought 18 means it might go with in a group of 2 each, 3, 6 or 9, but that didn't happen. So then we tried reducing to 16 plus 2, but again as it is not going with 2, obviously I'll not go with 4. Then I went with 15 plus 3. So 3 should be kept aside and go for 5 each in the group. Then only I got the answer. So these are quite interesting questions that we have for letter series. Clear? Now let us see few more examples on it. Okay, fine. Now, so it's an alternating series pattern. So whatever it is, follow the same procedure. First count number of series. Okay, then you can easily get the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 can be grouped as 2 each, 3, 6, 9. Okay. So 2 each, if I observe, there are 3 different terms, so 2 obviously won't work. That is for sure. Then try grouping 3 each, doesn't work, go for 6 or 9. Okay. A dash B, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, as the title here suggesting alternating series pattern, in the exam they won't give any titles here. Okay. If I don't want alternating, then I can have to take 6 each. So A dash B, again, if you see A dash B is here. So again A dash B is here. So it's a alternating series. So in the dash, A comes into the picture. Similarly, BC dash. So this BCC, BCC, BCC. So my answer should be AC, B, A. AC, B, A is my answer. So alternating one. If you don't want alternating one, take 6 terms. Okay. This gives a bigger picture. So same terms repeat. Clear? It's a simple question. Okay, let us go for next one. Example 10. So there are number of terms here. So first step is count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So again, you can 18 terms. You can go with 2 in each group or 3, 6, 9. So 2 obviously not work because there are 3 different letters here. So go for 3 each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Now, can you see any pattern? Obviously. 3 B's, 3 A's, 3 B's, 3 C's, 3 C's, 3 A's. That's it. Triple A, triple B, triple C, triple A, triple B, triple C. So my answer is A, C, B, C. A, C, B, C. Option D is the answer. Clear? Quite interesting, right? Very good. Awesome. So next question. Now this is, I think, up to my knowledge, the bigger number of letters. So take some time, try to get the answer for this. Obviously, I think it would be easy. Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh my god, there are only 24 letters in the series. So there are many factors of 24. You can start with 2, 3 each in a group or 4 each, 6, next 8, 12. Okay, that's it, I think. So if I start with 2, you see I have 3 different terms A, B, and C. So 2 won't work. Go for 3 each. If it doesn't work, then go for 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So AC is there, AC is there. But here ABA, ABA will come or not, I don't know. CA dash, BA dash, BAC. So 3 I'm not getting. Okay. So let me check 4 each. So it's better to check. All this has to be done quite faster. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Okay. So let me take 4 each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see A, B, A dash, B, A, C, A. Okay, B, A, C, A, B, A, C, A. Here it is alternating. Yes. So B, A is here, B, A is here. Okay, this is also alternating series. So I got the logic here. So it's an alternating series where in each group there are 4 terms. So A, B, A will come B, A, C. C is the last term in the series. In a similar way, B, A, C, A, B, A, C, A, B, A, C, A. So my answer should be C, A, C, B. C, A, C, B. Option D is the answer for me. Clear? So quite easy in solving. It's alternating series pattern. If you don't want alternating instead of 4, you have to take 8 terms where this middle line won't come here. Then you can get the perfect series. Okay, very good. So let us see a few more example on continuous pattern series. So pause the video and try to get the answer for these 3 examples. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 terms. So I can make it as 2 each, 3, 4 or 6. So if you see there are 2 continuous gaps, so I can't go with 2. Try to go with 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So AB, second term is B here. So first term is A, AB. So same. This is the logic. So BA, so obviously A will come here. A will come. So ABA, ABA, ABA is my logic. So my answer should be AA, B, triple A. Sorry, double A. AA, B, double A. Option 2 is the answer for my question. Clear? Okay. So let's solve 2 more and we'll wind up the session for the day. So coming to the second example. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, I can go with 3 each or 5 each in the group. So 1, 2, 3. Let me go with 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, dash BC, dash CA, dash AB. So if you see, in each and every group, one term is missing. ABC, BCA, CAB, ABC, BCA. So it's a cyclic. So ABCBB. ABCBB is my answer. That's it. Clear? So that is the answer for second one. Next, third example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18, I can go with 2, 3, 6, 9. So obviously if you see there are 4 terms, I can't go with 2. And the 3 if I try 1, 2, 3 also won't be possible. So as per my experience, you can go with 16 plus 2. That means where you can group it as 2 or 4. 2 can't be possible, try with 4 because there are 4 different terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me erase this for you so that it will be more clearer. Now let's solve. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see the pattern. Uh, if you observe closely, here what is missing? B is missing. So C, D, A, B. So similarly, A, C, D, B. Here D, A, C, B. So I've written whatever is missing. So my answer should be dash dash A, B, C. Again here D will come. So if you see, there is an order which is changing now. So C is in second here, C will come third, again C will come in first position, again C has gone for second. So here the first one, so obviously it has to be A, D, A, B, A, D, A, B, C, D. That is the answer. So A, C, D, B, D, A, C, B, C, D, A, B, A, C, D, B. So A, C, D, B, A, C, D, B comes again. So it's a cyclic repetitive process. Again, it should start with D, A, C, B. Okay. So that is the answer. So quite easy. So we are done for the day. Hope you understood all the questions in the video. If you have any further issues, you can always comment. Okay. So all the best for the preparation. So hope to see you soon in the next video. Okay then. Thank you.